Hi, today we shall continue with the second part of chapter 4, that is creating form. In our previous session, we have already mentioned about how to organize the form
अय्यो
elements, create text boxes, password boxes, email URL and telephone boxes. Today let us start up with a fresh topic, that is how do we create select boxes. Select boxes are used to offer users or visitors a choice from a given set of options. It's almost a type of drop-down list. In order to create a select drop-down box or list, first type select and within the tag insert ID, name and name. This will identify and collect the data when it is sent to the server. You can also insert desired types such as size equals to, and next you type option tag and within it you have to include the type selected with value is equal to selected, and then finally you close the option tag and then close the selected tag. Our next topic of discussion is on how do we as a visitor upload a file. The files like text document or photographs etc. We have come across this often while filling up forms of exams or while applying for jobs. All you have to do is in a level you can enter the text such as upload picture or file, and then within the input tag you include the type attribute as file. This type will create a file upload box and a browser button. All this must be within your form tag. Moving a step ahead, we will introduce you to the topic when to use a hidden field. You must have noticed that prior to the final submission of forms of government jobs or any competitive exam, they always ask you to preview your form before you finally submit it. Hence, this is here the concept of hidden files lies. Actually, your processing script can show then the submitted data and at the same time create a form with hidden fields containing the same data. If the visitor wants to edit the data, they simply go back, but if they want to submit the data, the hidden fields will already be filled out, saving them the task of entering the data again. So in order to create a hidden field, type input type is equal to hidden, and then you can type a name is equal to label, where the label is a short of description of the information to be sorted. Then you can also type a value is equal to data, where data is the information itself that is to be sorted. It is often a variable from the form processing script, and then finally you close the input type. Finally, we shall now see how to create a submit button. Unless and until there exists a submit button on your form, none of the information that you insert into the text fields and areas will be of any good to you. Because without the submit button, your information will not be submitted to the server. Hence, you always have to create a submit button. You can create a submit button that has an image, or you can use an image to submit a form. Sorry. So to create a submit button, type input type is equal to submit. If desired, type value is equal to submit message. And then finally, you close the submit button. Now we shall run a form that has been coded prehand. Here we have added the new input types along with the input types of previous session. On running this code in the browser, you can see all the various forms of inputs that have been discussed so far, and it has been included in it. Now you can create your own HTML5 forms and try running it on your browser. Thank you.